Hear my battle symphony, all the world in front of me. If my arms say that I don't belong, say that I should retreat, that I'm marching to the rhythm of a lonesome defeat, but the sound of your voice
خراب محاورة
in reverse.
يعني
No surrender, no illusion, and for better or for worse.